Are you thinking about buying the Osmo Pro Vacuum Cleaner because of all those bold promises and fancy ads showing spotless floors and happy customers? Hold on before you hit that buy now button, because in this video, I've tested everything they claim, and the results might surprise you. The Osmo Pro Vacuum Cleaner is marketed as a professional-grade cleaning machine with powerful suction and whisper-quiet operation. But once I got my hands on it, things weren't exactly as picture-perfect as the website made it seem. Their marketing uses strong buzzwords like deep clean technology and next-gen suction power. Yet when put to the test on carpets, tiles, and even pet hair, the results were just average. Not bad, but definitely not what I'd call professional grade. What's also interesting are the so-called awards and badges they display proudly on their website. But when I tried verifying them, there was no real evidence that these recognitions even exist. And then there's the price. It's positioned as a premium product, but when you compare it to established brands like Dyson or Shark, the value just doesn't hold up. I also checked out their Trustpilot reviews, and while there are some glowing 5-star ratings, a closer look reveals patterns that make them seem, well, let's just say a little too polished to be authentic. Some customers mentioned delays in shipping and difficulty getting refunds. After testing the product myself, the suction is decent, but it doesn't match the hype. And the noise level, though lower than average, isn't exactly silent. In the end, I wouldn't call the Osmo Pro Vacuum Cleaner a total scam, but it's definitely not the breakthrough cleaner it claims to be either. So before you spend your money, make sure you know exactly what you're getting.